Could you tell us a little bit more about what you are going to focus on the upcoming year for BettyBlocks?
Yeah, so us being a fast-growing company, there's always a lot of stuff happening and going on in our company. As we expect, our current growth is probably gonna accelerate in the next year. It seems that every year we double in everything. Only as well in organization, so that will happen as well. So that means other offices and whatever. But that's more the practical side of things. What's more important is what I think what our current plans are, at least, is to keep on investing in our product as we're doing right now. And AI is something that we're working on right now, and will really help us towards our no-code goals that we have, our BHAG, because that will really simplify the way you build an application. And maybe to set expectations, AI in software development won't be automatically building apps right now, but it will start, at least with us, with assisting you while building. And that's where you really need help as well. So that's a big step that we're making right now, and we're working hard on that. So hopefully we can show something in settings like this anytime soon. In terms of growing as a company furthermore, we're going to focus and emphasize more on the, let's say, on the broader feature set that our platform has. Everybody who knows BettyBlocks knows what we're doing in terms of no-code, but we're going to explain better in the next year how no-code needs technical stuff as well. Mm-hmm. There are different forms to no-code. There's just building this small app somewhere where you just track your time. Mm-hmm. But there's also using no-code to really create a more innovative company. And there are a little bit more difficult apps that need to be built. And those are the apps that we're going to continuously focus on. So that means that we're going to show the IT people better how to work with no-code. Yeah. Because that's a question that we get quite a lot as well. So what's low-code, what's no-code?
The difference between them?
Yes, the difference between them. But at the end, there's not a real big difference between them. The whole difference is more the concept behind it.
Yeah,
Who's
the
building.
approach.
Yes, the approach.
And
yes.
Maybe the end goal as well.
Yeah, so at the end goal in terms of the application is going to be the same. So exactly. It doesn't matter which type of app you're building, but it's more the road towards that app. And I think what's really important for us as a company is to emphasize more how important the role is for IT in a no-code and citizen development strategy. So it's not as simple as throwing a platform to your business folks and hoping for the best. Of course, everybody understands that's not a road to success. So we're going to stress more and more what the importance is of the role of IT, but also how to get there in that phasing that we discussed earlier as well, is that it doesn't take, unfortunately, you can't implement citizen development in a month or 3. It probably takes you years. Yes. So which steps do you have in between there? And that might be starting with more technical folks and not the citizen developers first, just to prove success and then move on and move on. And that's something that you'll see happening in terms of BettyBlocks development on the platform side, but also in our communication as well.